Hi, dear friends. Today we will discuss about reaction and the reaction time processes. How much time for a completion of reaction? What are the factors which affect the time taken to complete the reaction, to complete the complete process of reaction, right? So the branch of chemistry which deals about the relation between reaction time and concentrations and which monitors the change in the concentration of reactants and products with respect to time is called as chemical kinetics, right? So chemical kinetics, it is a branch of chemistry which generally deals about the relation between the change of concentration of reactants and products with respect to time, right? So here in chemical kinetics, so in a nutshell we discuss about how a reaction takes place with respect to time and what are the factors like concentration, temperature, nature of reactants and products will affect the reaction time, right? So generally when in chemical kinetics we generally discuss about the reaction progress with respect to time. ఒక రసాయన చర్య కాలానుగుణంగా ఏ విధంగా మారుతుంది అనే విషయాన్ని ఈ యొక్క రసాయన గతి శాస్త్రంలో మనం చూస్తాం, రైట్? సో a reaction generally chemical kinetics, so these are the things we are going to discuss under this chapter. So expression of rates, right? So how fast a reaction is going to complete, right? So what is the speed of a reaction? Is it slow? Is it mildly fast? Is it very fast? Like that, right? So next, a stoichiometric relationship of rates of different substances in a reaction, right? So what are the factors? What amounts of reactants, what amounts of the products, right, are really involving in the reaction, really influencing the reaction rate, reaction speed, right? So if you go on changing the concentration of one compound, one reactant, let us suppose the reaction is not going to alter at all, right? So with respect to that reactant, so the reaction is not altering, right? So the rate will be same with respect to the concentration of that reactant. And if you go on altering another reactant, or if you make the concentration of other reactant double, so the rate becomes slow, the reaction becomes slow. So the concentration of the second reactant, okay, will diminish the rate of the reaction. So likewise you are going to understand, so if you go on increasing concentration, whether reaction is occurring in speed manner or in a slow pace, or there is no change is occurred, right? So we are going to analyze in a specific manner. If you go on increasing, if a reaction contains more than one reactants, right? More than one reactants. So you are going to analyze particularly by doing experiment whether any factors of that reactant is going to influence the reaction speed or reaction rate or reaction time, right? So that is what the second point is being considered, stoichiometric relationship of rates of different substances in a reaction. ఒక చర్యలో ఒక క్రియాజనకం యొక్క గాఢత మరియు ఇతర కారకాలు రసాయన చర్యా వేగాన్ని, చర్యా సమయాన్ని ఏదే విధంగా అయినా మారుస్తున్నాయా, ఆ రసాయన చర్య క్రియాజనకం యొక్క గాఢతను పెంచినా కానీ తగ్గించినా కానీ అదేవిధంగా ఉంచినా కానీ చర్యా వేగంలో ఏమైనా మార్పు వస్తుందా, చర్యా సమయంలో ఏదైనా మార్పు వస్తుందా, చర్య వేగం పెరగడం కానీ చర్య వేగం తగ్గడం కానీ చర్య వేగంలో మార్పు లేకపోవడం కానీ, సో ఇట్లాంటి విషయాలు మనం ప్రయోగం ద్వారా నిర్ణయించి ఆ యొక్క క్రియాజనకానికి చర్యా సమయానికి ఉన్నటువంటి స్టాయికియోమెట్రిక్ నిష్పత్తిని కూడా మనం ఈ రసాయన గతి శాస్త్రంలో తెలుసుకుంటాం, రైట్.